This is madness.
How's it everyone? Welcome back to Beyond the Coast. If you can see behind us, we're in the tropics. We're just heading out to jump on the boat with the bro Ironi. Jane's never caught a GT before, so today our main focus is to get her on a big GT. So she's going to put in heaps of casts. Then we're going to jump in the water, see if we can get onto a few fish with the gun. It's going to be an epic day, so stick around.
This is madness.
Look at how unreal it is out here. All right, we've just boosted out. This is spot one. We're gonna have a few casts here, get the arms warmed up, see what's around, and then we're just gonna go right up the coast and just cast at bommies and structure and passages the whole way back down the coast. So let's not piss around, eh? Let's have a few casts. See if we can get Jane on her first GT. She's pumped, she's pumped. All right, into it. I just realised I didn't sunblock my feet. Oh, yeah! Oh no, it's a trevally. We on. Oh no, it's a, what is it? Barracuda. Was it a Mackie? Barry. Nugget. What is that? Yeah, it's double. Nice.
Nice one.
We're on the board. We're on the board. Oh, oh, that's my first ever Spanish mackerel. This is the first time we've ever cast poppers like out in the tropics off a boat, so anything tropical like this or subtropical is the first for me. That's sick. Super stoked with that. I thought they were barracuda chasing the lures around, they're jumping around. So there's actually a few in here, so maybe we'll put a few smaller lures on and see if we can get a few more of those on the board. That's epic.
Epic, nice one.
Stoked with that. It's going in the bag for dinner. Alright, Jane's calling lunch when we stop. Straight from the Fijian markets yesterday.
Yeah.
Give it a crack. No, you have you try.
Very good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Tastes like Christmas.
Christmas. Makes sense. Yeah, really good. Oh, look at that. Oh! I think it was a long tom. Yeah, two of them jumped over at it. On, just changed over to the medium gear. Straight away, I think it's a long tom, but when it's slow, you'll take what you can get. Saying that, it's not going crazy like one, eh? Spinning the boat around. Oh, it's a big long tom, bro. Bro. Look at that thing.
That is crazy.
On the new one, on the light one.
That was like second cast on the light one, and two of them just boosted over at it. Look at the teeth on that thing. That's ridiculous. The long tom just went upside down, so he was going to go in and grab it, and we're going to use it for chum when we jump in the water, but he just dove down there to shoot it, and it swam off. Classic. How's the viz?
It's okay.
It's alright. Any fish down there?
Couple.
She's on. Give it a bit of hand drag or tighten it up a bit. She's on. Tighten it up a bit too, a little bit.
Oh, that's like max drag.
We were literally about to get in the water. Oh, one more cast, boom, on. No pressure on the landing here for me, eh? How's the arm? She's been casting for like 3-4 hours already. Always the way, eh? Last cast before we get in the drink. Oh. Wow.
We need to bring him up,
It's not giving up, it's a good fish. No, this is all you, this is all you. I reckon it'll be almost done. Wow. It's acting very GT like under the boat. You could even button it off a little bit when it gets to the boat. Oh my god! Holy shit! That's a monster!
That is huge! Oh my god, look at that little...
Oh, it's got a remora on it!
Oh my gosh!
That's how big your GT is, it's got its own remora.
Oh my gosh! It's probably because I've got like 2 layers of
Yeah.
sunscreen on.
Holy shit!
Was not expecting that.
Oh wow, that's a dog too.
Oh my gosh! Am I meant to be holding this?
Yep.
Standing?
Yep.
Really?
The cool thing is about these is they're pretty chilled when you get them up.
Oh, that, can you look at that hook?
Oh, yeah, it's embedded.
This is crazy. I never thought I'd be able to actually get one of these up.
Oh my god.
Far out.
Yep. Just sit it on your knee like that.
Is that right?
Yeah.
I'm shaking, my whole body is shaking.
I'm the nomad Chuck Norris. She's been casting that all day long and literally about to get in the drink. Boom. That is loose. Yep. Go back. Oh my god, that's ridiculous. Okay.
This is madness.
Yeah, sick. Oh my god, that was ridiculous.
I tell you what, that entrance on the boat into the water though.
But what do you expect? You've got an extra 30 kg. Well, how big are you now? 25? Over 30? Over 30 says the skipper and he catches them, so you're entering the water with over 30 kgs. Yeah. Shane just pops up and goes, there's a shark down here. Very casually. That was pretty epic, eh? So many fish, so many sharks. Also, we came out here today to try and get you a GT and you cast for hours and hours and hours. Last cast.
Stuck true to the nomad.
I was stoked for that too, because yeah, you just kept going, and like even when I was like, oh, do you want to switch over to a smaller lure and try and get one of those Mackies? Nah, stuck true to the nomad, and but ridiculous. And that was like 35 kgs. It was huge.
It was so big. It was so big.
I don't know, like the cameras were all on the ground when she hooked up there, and I was just starting to change stuff over and get ready to get in the water, and then I just heard this explosion and looked around, and there was just this massive hole in the ocean where it had just gone back into the water, and the line was just screaming, and we were scrambling for cameras, scrambling for gimbals. Oh my god, and that pulled so much line.
I actually can't even believe that I got one. I just was like, oh, last cast, like fishing's kind of done for the day. We're going to get in the water. So random.
Fishing's been super tough today too.
Yeah, but frickin' trip made, eh?
Yeah, trip made.
I didn't have time.
Just having a beer. How's this? Great Northern. Can't get it in New Zealand. Can get it in Fiji. How good.
It's like our favourite beer, but you can't get it in New Zealand.
No. Bro, feel free to keep diving, man. We're just cruising. We're chilling.
Just do one last drop here.
Yeah. Oh man, the sun is mean. Just the bro's just out here having his last dive. I just want to give a shout out to him, Aroni. He's been mean. It's been a tough day. We've only caught 3 fish today, and we've just put in hundreds and hundreds of casts. But he's put in a lot of time and just taken us everywhere and got us onto a few epic fish, and we've jumped in the water with him and had a bit of a swim around, and he's just out there getting a bit of a feed for himself. But we'll put a link in the description below for where we're staying, and he just works out of the Fiji Beach House, which is where we're staying. Base, I'm pretty sure they're called, but yeah, he's just boosted us out in the boat today and just really looked after us, caught up with us as soon as we arrived, made a mean game plan. We're going to go out with him again in a couple of days time, and we've got a big game plan to punch real wide and chase some pretty epic fish, so that'll be in another video. But yeah, he's gone above and beyond today. He's been epic.
He's been so good, yeah. Lovely dude.
Yeah, helping me with my free diving too, because as some of you will know, I've got really bad ears, so he's been giving me a few tips and pointers, and we might even come back here next year and really do a few courses with him and see if we can get myself and Jane diving a lot deeper than we do, so then we can start doing some pretty epic free diving on this channel as well. But yeah, we're just sitting back having a beer, we'll chilling while he shoots a few fish for himself, and then we're on the way home. And I think what he said is we'll take that fish into the kitchen and they'll cook it up for us, that mackerel, and make us hopefully some fish and chips, but also some raw fish, which will be epic, so stick around for that as well. Alright peeps, we've just got back, just washed all the gear. Check this place out, it's just pissing. People everywhere, people in there playing table tennis, people playing pool, people hiring surfboards. Sun's beaming.
It's hot.
Jane wants a Coke Zero for her efforts.
Yes, please. And maybe a sandwich.
Maybe a
We
sandwich.
forgot to pack lunch and breakfast and snacks.
Also check my feet out. I don't know if you can see that, but they are sizzled.
Red raw.
Oh. Alright, we're gonna get her a Coke Zero. I might have a Coke Zero, might have a beer. But that is dinner. Ew. compliments to the catcher and to the chef. Look at that. Sashimi, battered and grilled fish,
Wow.
and some chips.
I'm so hungry.
And look at the backdrop. Alright, let us know what you think of that.
Unbelievable.
Into it.
That's so tender.
Epic. Right, we're gonna get tucked into this, team. Alright team, that food was ridiculous. Such a big day. We're absolutely buggered. We're gonna call this video here, but tune in next week. We're gonna do it all again. Once again, thanks for watching. Hit us up with a comment. Let us know what you thought of Jane's massive GT. First one on the board. Hopefully get another one while we're here. So yeah, hopefully see you next week.
Thanks for watching.